Have you ever felt like you're reworking twice as hard just to stay in the same place? Like your resources are leaking through a bag full of holes? Many people believe that struggle is their destiny, but the truth is, you were created for overflow, not just survival. There is a frequency of abundance that the world cannot give and cannot take away. Today, at Powerful Prayers, we are going to break the cycle of lack and activate the law of restoration over your life. It's time to move from the desert to the promised land. If you want to be blessed by God with deep prayers, subscribe to the channel right now. The spiritual realm recognizes the seed of faith. When we talk about prosperity, we aren't just talking about numbers in a bank account. We are talking about the shalom of God, peace, wholeness, and nothing missing. The enemy loves to steal your time, your joy, and your resources to keep you small and distracted. But the word says that God will restore the years that the locusts have eaten. To receive restoration, you must first change your spiritual posture. Stop praying from a place of defeat and start decreeing from a place of victory. You are a child of the King, and the King's treasury is never empty. Heavenly Father, we stand on your promise that you wish for us to prosper and be in health, even as our soul prospers. Right now, I decree a supernatural restoration over every area of this person's life that has been under attack. I command every stolen blessing to be returned sevenfold. I break the spirit of barrenness, and I release the spirit of fruitfulness. Let the windows of heaven open over their home. I decree that opportunities they didn't even look for will find them. I call forth the hidden treasures and the riches of secret places. Let their hands be blessed so that whatever they touch shall prosper. May the overflow of your grace fill their cup until it runs over. Lack is leaving and abundance is arriving. The season of the locusts is over. The season of the harvest has begun. Walk today with the head held high, expecting the goodness of God in the land of the living. If you felt the weight of lack lifting during this prayer, subscribe to Powerful Prayers and join our family. If this prayer touched your heart, subscribe to the channel and comment God to seal this blessing in your life. Prosperity is your portion.